Winter came a little earlier this year, and we have had a couple of measurable snowfalls. It caught us a little off guard as we had not had a chance to put the plow on the tractor yet, or rearrange the implements for the winter months. In fact, many of the leaves were still on the trees and had not fallen yet. But the last few days things have thawed out, the snow has melted, the winds have blown some more leaves off the tree, and now it's time to rake some of those leaves into the compost pile. The weight of the snow and moisture has compressed these leaves, and so they're not easily blown around with a leaf blower. So the landscape rake makes light work of pulling these off into the forest. Please like and subscribe as we continue to put out more videos of our John Deere 3038E. Thanks for watching.